On Lubaga Hill, overlooking Kampala, stands a landmark that has watched Uganda for 100 years, St. Mary's Cathedral, Lubaga. For many, it is more than just a cathedral. It is a witness of history. The story began in 1879, when the White Fathers, the missionaries of Africa, far corners, arrived in Uganda Kingdom. They came with a mission to share the good news of Christianity. Their path was not easy. They were not welcomed by the Kabaka Mutesa I, but under Kabaka Mwanga, many new converts were persecuted. Some even gave their lives, and today we call them the Uganda martyrs. Yet the missionaries did not give up. In 1889, the Catholic Church was given Lubaga Hill, once the palace ground of Kabaka Mutesa. From this hill, the missionaries began a dream of a great cathedral, the mother church of Catholicism in Uganda. The Bishop Henry Stretcher, the third Vicar Apostolic of Uganda, turned that dream into a reality. Construction began in 1914. Imagine a scene: no heavy machines, just human hands, missionaries and local believers working side by side, brick after brick, raising walls that touch the sky. It was a project of sacrifice, patience, and faith. After 11 long years, the dream stood complete. In 1925, the doors of St. Mary's Cathedral Lubaga were opened, a giant cathedral with twin towers rising proudly above the city. On that day, Catholicism declared its place in Uganda's history. For ordinary believers, this was more than just a church. It was a symbol of dignity, identity, and belonging. Since then, Lubaga has been more than a place of worship. It has been the heartbeat of Uganda's Catholic faith. Here, generations have come for baptism, marriage, and ordination. National leaders and ordinary citizens alike have gathered to pray in times of joy and in times of trial. For the missionaries, Lubaga Cathedral was proof that their sacrifices, their long journeys, their struggles with disease, and even the martyrs were not in vain. The faith had taken firm root. For Uganda, Lubaga became a center of learning and healing and of community. Today, 100 years later, Lubaga Cathedral still stands strong, a reminder of the vision of those pioneer missionaries, a beacon of faith for millions. The hill that once carried the palace of kings now carries the throne of faith, a light that continues to shine across Uganda and beyond.